rise and grind, it's a brand new day. Eyes on the prize, ain't no time to play. Markets open, I'm ready to slay. Day trading the nines, watch me lead the way.
Alarm bells ringing, it's 6 a.m. Coffee in my cup, strategy at the helm. Charge flashing red, gotta call my shot. In this ruthless game, you either got it or not. Watch the candles flicker, it's a fight to the end. Momentum sits quick, gotta know how to blend. Got the news feed rolling, no time to slack. Pockets want fast stacks, ain't no looking back. Morning hustle, we grind for the buck. Stay trading the knives, turn bad luck to luck. Aggressive with the moves, never play it safe. In this gritty world, I'm ready to break. Level 2 is a jungle, saw the bears and bulls. Keep your motions tight, control your pulls. Late nights of studying numbers in my sleep. In the stock market, success ain't cheap. Cutting losses quick, I'm a razor's edge with every single trade. I'm dancing on the ledge, green and red screens. Some days it's a game, but the thrill's in the hustle, and I'm claiming my fame. Morning hustle, we grind for the buck. Stay trading the knives, turn bad luck to luck. Aggressive with the moves, never playing safe. In this gritty world, I'm ready to break. Sweat on my brow, heart racing fast. Every tick on the board, this adrenaline's a blast. Knowledge is my weapon, charts are my shield. In this battlefield of finance, never yield. Eyes on the screen, feeling so alive. Every second counts in this market. Closing bells ring, did I hit my mark? Fighting for the wins, I ignite the spark. Hustle never ends.